My name is Linton Hui. I'm talking about mesentery today. In January 2017, Independent, the UK newspaper, reported that a new organ was discovered inside the human body by scientists. What they were referring to was the mesentery. As you can see, the mesentery is hooking up to the large intestine. What is exactly the mesentery? The mesentery is a fold in the lining of the abdomen. It suspends and attaches intestinal organs to the abdominal cavity, transfers lymph and blood to the gut. According to the Independent, the mesentery was discovered by Calvin Covey, a researcher at the University Hospital Limerick, Ireland. In his presentation at Dublin, June 2017, Professor Calvin Covey pointed out that he didn't actually discover the mesentery. He simply classified the mesentery as a group of tissue into an organ. Before his study, the mesentery is considered not as an organ. There are multiple mesenteries. They are fragmented structures. Back in the year 1508, Leonardo had described the mesentery as a single piece. Covey notes that Leonardo's depicted the mesentery as continuous, centrally converging structure centuries ago, and his view proceeds to medical literature until Sir Frederick Chivers concluded in 1885 that the mesentery was fragmented across the small intestine and colon. In November 2016, Dale Walsh, a medical illustrator at the University Hospital Limerick, utilized 3D digital sculpturing technologies to describe the mesentery inside the human body. It is a continuous and one structure with a spiral shape. Covey was comparing the mesentery from Leonardo's days with the current 3D representation. It is pretty clear that both of them are continuous and one structure with a spiral conformation. Covey also pointed out the benefit of reclassifying the mesentery as an organ. Now that we established the anatomy and the structure, the next step is the function. If we understand the function, we can identify abnormal function, and then we can study the diseases. Putting all of them together, we have the field of mesenteric science, the basis for a whole new area of science. A year after Professor Covey's presentation, despite of Gray's anatomy's reclassification of mesentery as an organ inside the human body, his discovery was not totally acknowledged by the science community. There was no argument on the mesentery being a continuous structure. Discussion in the internet was on whether the mesentery is qualified as an organ. A call for a worldwide regulatory body for defining an organ was raised. Covey looked at the mesentery as an organ from an evolution point of view. Animals up in the evolutionary tree have a similar structure of mesentery to human. The mesentery is the first organ developed in the embryo. The liver, the spleen, the pancreas, the intestine developed within the mesentery. Is of critical importance. The mesentery also played the role of a signal box connecting the intestines to the other parts of the body. If there's no mesentery, the intestine have to hang on to the impure cavity, which make it impossible for the human to grow. According to Professor Kelvin Covey, because we now understand the shape and the structure of the mesentery, we understand its function, we can systematically investigate it, and the systematic investigation of an organ is called the science of that organ.